It's painful. We don't have hospitals. We don't have schools. Nothing is working in the country. And all of us, everybody is just clamoring 2019, 2019. What is 2019? Are we sure that we are going to reach 2019? It's so bad. It's so bad. Things are happening. Leaders, you have to beg them to go and see what is happening in other places. You have to beg them. Media have to use a lot of noise before leaders can start moving to go to places and see what is happening. What kind of a country is this? What lesson are we giving for people that are coming up? What are we going to leave for our younger generation? Today, as a senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, you get frustrated. Talk less of somebody that has no job, somebody that has no, even his voice, nobody will even hear it. As a senator of the Federal Republic, you are seeing things going wrong. The other time, you can see, last week, you can see they wanted to kill my brother, Senator Dino Malaye. They took him to court. Is it not a standard in everywhere in the world that if some people maybe commit crime or attempted to assassinate you, police anywhere in the world, they will ask you, do you have somebody you are suspecting? Or do you have any argument with them? It's standard. Even in US, they do it. And you are coming to take somebody to court and say he fabricated, he lied against somebody. And this is the person that before that time, he said that he would make sure that Dino falls. Is it not a good something for him to tell the police? And now they took him to, the court granted him death. And some people came in SARS uniform. They want to take him and go and kill him. Everybody is denying, police is denying that they are not the ones that sent him. Everybody is denying. Which kind of country? That day, if they were able to arrest him, by now it would have been another story. They will say they are Boko Haram, or somebody will say they are not getting security men. And nobody is coming to say, let us investigate who are those people that came to kidnap him. It's left for all of us. This is a lesson for all of us. This country belongs to all of us. This issue of tribalism that we are doing, tribe. What we mean language. Language is just a means of communication. Let's look at ourselves as equal and the same. Somebody, a Nigerian, became a senator now in Italy. In Italy, he's a senator now. A Nigerian. And here in Nigeria, we are looking at religion. Is it not a personal thing between me and God? Did anybody go to grave and send messages to us that the grave or the heaven is good? Nobody went there and sent message to us, or call us on phone, or tell us what is there. It is something that is personal. Whether you are a Christian or you are a Muslim, it's something personal between you and God. That should not disturb anybody. Let everybody practice what he wants. Are you going to tell me the whole of more than 70% of Asia are going to hell? Because they are not practicing Islam. They are not practicing even Christianity in Asia. When you go to China, if you tell them you are a Christian or you are this, it's your business. So are you going to tell me the entire Chinese, they are going to hell? Over 1 billion people, are you telling me that? Or is there any pastor or imam in this country that will tell me that he's going to heaven? That will tell you that I swear with Quran or Bible that if I die, I'm going to heaven. Is there anyone? Nobody. So it is what you do. And this heaven is favor from God. It is what is in your mind that God will judge you. No matter how you are, if you are a man, if you have a wicked mind, if you are a sadist, if you are wicked, you cannot make it. A lot of our people in this Nigeria, we are not even practicing the religion. There is 10 commandments in the Bible. And that 10 commandments is there in the Quran. How many people do we have that are following these 10 commandments? How many people do we have? So issue of position, we make noise about religion or we make noise about tribe and we don't even practice it. Language is just a means of communication. Today, if you are an Igbo man, if I will speak with you in English and you understand me, we are in the same level. I can decide today as a Hausa man to go and learn Yoruba, to go and learn Igbo, and I'm speaking. We have so many people like Na'Allah can speak Igbo fluently. We have them. So it's just a means of communication the way we are speaking English. So this is why people will tell us that, okay, today we should stop speaking English because they are the ones that it's their own language. It is high time. Let us do what we are going to do and move this country forward. Nigeria is backward. Nigeria is not moving. It is only in theory that they will fabricate papers and tell you that our GDP, all these things. In practical, we are not going anywhere. So it is there for us now. All this sensation about 2019, let us see what we are going to do. Let us see who will move this country forward.
Thank you so much, most distinguished